Experience enchantment with our Eden Windspinr, a captivating embodiment of growth, connection, and the circle of existence. This Windspinr features an intricately designed tree of life motif at its center, symbolizing strength, unity, and the deep-rooted connections we share with the world around us. As it gracefully twirls and dances with the breeze, the Eden Windspinr becomes a poetic representation of life's constant movement and evolution. Crafted to inspire reflection and mindfulness, this piece brings a touch of elegance and meaning to your outdoor space. Illuminate your garden or balcony with the timeless beauty of our Eden hanging Windspinr. Visit our website and dive into a world of possibilities. Explore not only this captivating design, but a myriad of other enchanting creations. Your journey to discovering the perfect Windspinr begins here.